Lamon pala. Lamon pala. Train station here in Osaka. Yung pinakamalapit sa Laguna. And ito yung pala yung ginagamit recently. And long-lasting. Okay, finally guys, we found the 7-Eleven store. Hi guys, so as you can see, I am ready for a flight tonight, and I know some of you guys might say, ano ba yan, ang kapal naman ng makeup niya, she's just going for a flight. But yeah, it just makes me feel more confident, comfortable about myself. You know, whenever I'm outside, I want to look kind of more presentable in front of other people. So as much as possible, I always try to fix myself before leaving the house. So today we have a flight, which is a very, very exciting destination. Talagang matagal ko nang gustong puntahan to because it's been a while. My last time that I was there was when I was 17 years old. And ilang taon na ba ako ngayon? 24. And we were supposed to go there last month for my birthday, but then some things happened regarding our visa. I will tell you on another video how I got my Japan visa. And ayun, nasabi ko na yung kung saan kami pupunta. And yeah, we're going to Japan and I'm very, very excited for that kasi it's been a while. I'm really excited for the food trip, the culture, the tourist spots na hindi ko pa napupuntahan kasi right now we're going to Osaka and the last time I was there was in Tokyo. So it's a new experience for me. In an hour, we're gonna leave. We're gonna go to the airport na kasi our flight is departing tonight around no tomorrow morning actually, which is 1:30 a.m. and it's currently 9:30 p.m. right now on my watch, and I'm really excited. I can't explain how much namin pinagplanuhan to ni Nicole. And if you guys don't know her, she's my partner and I'm gonna be with her during this trip. Lahat yun, sobrang excited na ako. Especially the food trip in Japan. Alam niyo naman, sobrang sarap ng pagkain doon. And hindi ako magpapahuli sa sushi and sa mga street food nila. So, ayun guys, let's go. And let's experience the beauty of Osaka, Japan. Yan, so mabilis ko na lang papakita sa inyo kasi papunta na kami ng airport. But I just want to show you kung anong laman ng mga maleta namin. So, that is 1, 2 maletas na walang laman. So, kung nagtataka kayo bakit, kasi kung nakapunta na kayo ng Japan, alam nyo, kahit wala pa kayo doon, na sobrang dami nyong mabibili after the trip sa Donkey or kahit saan man. Kaya walang laman talaga purposely yung mga bagahe namin kasi sobrang daming gamit niyan pabalik. And meron pa akong last na bagahe doon, which is meron naman kahit papaanong onting gamit ko. Pero ito, talagang hindi natin lalagyan. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put my trolley na hand carry ko sa loob ng isa pang check-in baggage. And ayan, check-in na natin sila, 'di ba? Mas madali na lang siya bit-bitin pag nasa Japan na kami later kasi I'm sure puro train na naman at panik-panaog na naman kami ng stairs, and mas maganda yung wala tayong dala papunta doon. Pagbalik na lang tayo mahirapan. So, ayan, let's go. It's 10:30 already. So, we have to go sa airports. And I'm just gonna show you later kung ano pa mangyayari. Nick! So, ayan, nagawa na namin ng paraan na magkatabi kami. Kasi initially, hindi kami magkatabi. But now, are we together? So, where's your seat?
17 kilo. Ikaw, Juliet.
Okay, so we're in the first row seats. And right now, we're already here inside the airport, the duty-free. And we're gonna try to look kung merong available na MAC powder. Hopefully, sana meron. Mission accomplished! Yes!
Dito lang pala may stock, no?
Sabi nila na wala nang stock nung MAC NC30 sa buong Qatar. And they lied. So now we're on the way sa gate namin kasi mali na pala yung pinupuntahan namin kanina, which is sa kabilang dulo. So, ayan. Super ganda ng airport. What can you say?
Wala na. Ayoko na. Wala nang pumangit na lahat ng ibang airport.
Maybe na-try mo na ba yung doon, yung train?
Hindi pa.
So, kung makikita nyo, dun sa second floor, merong train na dumadaan dyan. Ganun kalaki yung airport. Kailangan nyo ng train para makapunta sa mga gate. And parang medyo malayo yung gate namin ngayon, C55. Siya na nagbuhat ng bag ko kasi hindi ko na kinaya. Kasi parang ano eh, 'di ba? Parang hand carry na maleta. Parang 7 kg ata. Yung wala kang ang maleta pero meron kang 7 kilos na bag. Kasi nandyan ang bag ni Doraemon, chari. Nandyan lahat ng ko, necessity.
Combine na gamit namin.
Oo, ang galing mo eh.
Wait lang yung bag ko.
Ang galing mo eh. Mapakita mo yung bag mo oh. 'Di ba? Para siyang yung mga, alam niyo yung mga jowa yung hindi nagdadala ng bag, tapos ikaw yung magdadala ng gamit kasi ikaw yung ikaw yung may malaking bag. So yun, ganun kami lagi. Taste test. Ang ganda ng camera talaga. Kamusta?
At ano yung palaman? Nutella.
Nutella. O, tikman mo yung isa. Tikman mo yung isa.
Ito tayo. Tikman natin here. Pero lasa siya ice mocha.
Ice mocha. Ako din.
Sabi mo, asang Nutella siya, di ba? Ang sarap.
Hazelnut. Nalalasan ko yung hazelnut. Sarap? Ano yung taste yours?
Ito naman. Try mo naman this.
Hindi ko magkaintindihan kung ano yung susubo ko. Ganito ako pag na-excite.
So, which one is better?
Ay, parang ang sarap nung sayo. Eto na lang sayo. Ay, ang sarap. Hindi ako mahilig sa coffee, pero...
Sarap.
Ang sarap.
Sige, share naman tayo eh.
収納棚または前の座席の下に収納してください。お座席の背もたれ、リモートコントローラーおよびテーブルを元の位置に戻し、窓のブラインドを開けてください。非常口座席および最前列の座席をご利用のお客様はお手荷物が足元にお置きになりませんようお願い申し上げます。化粧室はまだご利用いただけます。シートベルト着用サインが点灯いたしましたら、シートベルトを着用の上お座席にお戻りください。
Ang cute nung
化粧室は
PA.
全てロックがかかり、客室乗務員が目標着陸に向けて客室が安全であることを
Arigato
確認するために
Para ka nanonood ng ng
皆様のご
anime.
理解とご協力ありがとうございます。
Stay with me. Na no na 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 na. Arigato gozaimasu. So now we only have 30 minutes before landing. I'm so super excited.
Kala ko hindi ka makakatulog, sobrang excited mo eh.
Actually, nakatulog ako ng first 4 hours. And then, nagising na ako. Then, kumain. Tapos natulog ulit ako. Kasi, inaantok talaga ako. Super sleepy ako. Ready na yung camera mo dyan. So, we have another camera which is the... What is it?
It's the 360 Go 3S. So ano lang to muna for POV shots. POV shots.
Naka-magnet na siya, no?
Oo. See?
Wow. Late yung arrival namin. But hopefully, makarating kami sa Airbnb ng maaga. Tsaka sana hindi kami maligaw. Yan lang.
Pero na-research naman na natin yung yung station ng pababaan. Yung papunta lang. Feeling ko maliligaw tayo kasi syempre yung mga signs di natin alam if nakahapon.
Ayan na, palanding na. I'm so excited.
Cabin crew commence final secure.
Narinig niyo yun? Palanding na. Parang kukunin ako ni Lord sa...
Sorry, binukas ko eh.
Ayan, nag-retouch na ako. Fresh na ulit. Ikaw din.
Oo, fresh na ulit.
So we're here. We have landed. Na, 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 na. Oh my God, we're here in
Nakaraan ng Osaka.
Osaka.
Nakaraan ng operating crew ako.
O ngayon, pasahero ka na. So, mas maganda ngayon. kasi hindi ka pagod at madami tayong time maglibot. So, how many days do we have here?
6 days?
We have roughly 6 days to accomplish everything na mga pinlano namin and hopefully ma-achieve namin lahat yon. Grabe, ang linis. Parang wala kang makikitang kalat, no?
Namiss mo ba ang Japan? When was the last time na nandito ka sa Japan?
2016?
Travel, di ba? Travel yun.
Oh, baby pa ako nun. Tsaka as in, wala akong maalala. So, ayan, we're already here in the belt and as you can see, ano yung sinasabi mo about the baggage?
Maayos yung pagkakahiliran ng luggage. Sige mo.
Ayan.
Pantay-pantay.
Pantay-pantay siya. So, we're here in Kansai Airport, Osaka. Oh my god, I'm so happy to be here.
Kyoto, right? Kyoto Station. It's been JR is communist, the most communist.
So, which is easier to use?
I think this I can use, but
So, ito, we got our railway passes for, how much was it? Mga 2,800 pesos. But, pinakita ko naman kanina, it was 1,500 for the Osaka Metro Pass for 2 days and then 5,600 yen for Kansai Railway. So, itong Osaka Metro Pass, kailangan 2 consecutive days siya gamitin. So, pag in-swipe natin siya ngayon, kailangan bukas ito rin yung gamit natin. Okay na ba yan gamitin natin ngayon? And then, itong Kansai Railway, pwedeng bungi-bungi. Like, gamitin today and then yung next gamit is next week. Parang ganon siya. Pero mas mahal yan, no? So, let's go. Okay, so life update. Mali tayo nang bili ng ticket. So, we just purchased the what is this? Nankai tickets para makapunta kami sa Tenkachaya, which is 970 yen. So, I'll just put the equivalent peso here para makita nyo yung conversion. Let's go! Ayan, papunta na tayo sa
Tenkachaya Station.
and then from there.
From there, pupunta tayo sa Ebisucho. And then from there, 8 minutes walk to our hotel.
Okay, so mahaba-haba pa tong travel namin and I can't believe na grabe, parang almost 1 hour kami sa sa may airport trying to figure out what ticket yung bibili namin for the train kasi medyo complicated tsaka hindi kami masyado nakapaghanda at nakapag-review for this kasi busy rin kami and yung iba sa Klook bumibili, no? Pero kami hindi namin nagawa yun kasi nga hindi namin nagawa yung assignment. Ang na-achieve lang namin i-book in advance is yung Universal Studios pero the rest, nagkasundo kami na dito na lang bilhin like yung tickets, yung train. Ngayon pa lang namin inaaral so talagang complicated siya and alam niyo naman dito sa Japan, it's really big yung nila, train. Hindi siya kasing simple ng sa Philippines or ibang, sa Hong Kong mas madali na nag-Hong Kong tayo, di ba?
And ang hirap dito kasi yung mga signs, walang English. So, nga pa sa first day. Siguro
So,
mga second, third day, okay na tayo.
Yeah, it's a must na mag-download kayo ng translator if you're here in Japan kasi nahirapan sila mag-English mostly. So, nakakita na ako ng mga anik-anik sa bag. Mga labubu. So, ayan, we already found our Airbnb for 6 days here at Wellstay in Osaka. So, self-check-in siya, guys. And, ayan, sobrang linis niya pagpasok niyo pa lang. And, I think dito na tayo mag-check-in sa may entrance. So, as you can see, wala talaga siyang tao sa lobby. May smoking area, tapos self-check-in. Okay, let me help you muna. Gets na? Siya yung may alam ng booking details from Airbnb. So, ganyan pala dito sa Japan. You have to check in by yourself. Technically, wala siyang front desk or anything. Ayan yung check-in time nila. And check out. So, ayan. Pakita mo, baby. Iniscan din yung passport. High-tech. O, diba? Hindi mo na kailangan talaga ng front desk. Okay, so kumuha na kami ng tig-isa na card. And, baby, tignan mo. Wow! So, dyan natin pwedeng iwanan yung luggage natin kapag sa last day, kailangan natin mag-check out. But we can leave our things here. Tapos may kapihan, may vendo machine, may work area. Ang ganda nung nabook natin. Ha? So, I'm super... Huwag nyo na lang pansinin yung mukha ko. Oh, papakita namin sa inyo, guys.
Nandito na yung susi. So, i-open mo na lang ito, ikakabit sa bag mo. Pwede
Oo.
na. Ang ganda.
So, if ever mag-check out tayo ng early sa last day, pwede pa rin natin iwan dito, tapos gumala.
Tara.
Nice! No?
Ano yun? Wala yung room number na.
Good job. Up here. We finally reached after 2 hours, guys, of traveling.
6:03 tayo.
Let's go. Wow! Bakit twin bed? It's kind of... Oh, wait. We have to like... Hindi naman siya super laki, pero we have to change our shoes. Wow! Ang cute! Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a quick room tour. So, ito yung itsura ng B&B namin. And once you enter, meron siyang slippers here. So, iwan nyo lang yung dirty shoes nyo there. And, meron din siyang lalagyan ng mga shoes. Dito, baby, look! Sa gilid pag enter nyo. So, talagang medyo sensitive sila sa mga kasapotosan, no? Talagang ayaw nila ng sa loob. And then, may hairdryer na dito. And then, once you enter, kitang-kita yung bag ni baby. Naka-display pa talaga here. So, once you enter, ayan na siya. Maliit lang. So, nandito na yung ano to? Washing machine. And then, meron din siyang, is this free? This is free, no? Free na sabon. And then, may lababo, lutuan. And, utensils. Meron na ring pants. Oh my gosh! Ito yung gusto kong lutuan sa Lazada. Nick. Yung napapalitan na lang. Ang ganda. Kompleto talaga siya. And then may microwave pag may gusto kong initin. And then we have a mini ref. Hindi ko alam bakit ito yung nabook natin, baby. Bakit siya double bed. Pero sana single na lang. Kasi 'di ba, ba't pa kami maghihiwalay ng kama? And then ito yung isa sa mga main reason bakit ito yung binook namin actually, kasi it has a nice view. Tomorrow, if may araw na, papakita ko sa inyo bukas yung view. And we have coffee tables there, a bigger sofa, and then we have a TV and a closet to store in your clothes. And then, so, ayan, maganda yung itsura niya. May air condition din siya. And then, hi baby, wala ka masyadong ilaw dyan. I don't know if there's light there, but saan tayo magsasampay if ever? Maglaba. Ha? Actually, hindi ka na makita right now.
Toyo.
Top toyo, Nicole.
Mendoza, hindi Salvador.
Huwag kayo ma-confuse. So right now, we're just waiting for the Uber kasi hindi na namin kinary maglakad dahil wala na kami abutan doon kapag nilakad pa namin. Kasi it's like 20 minutes walk yung Dotonbori from where we're staying right now. So, we're just gonna take the Uber so that may somehow maabutan pa kami doon ng mga food, restaurants, and shops. But you've been there before. How was it? I'm excited. Ako, I've never. It's my first time.
Well, hindi ko na masyado na-enjoy kasi that time, ganito din yung timings.
Mm.
Actually, ito rin yun. Kasi isa lang naman yung flight natin pa Osaka. Tapos pagdating namin ng hotel, late na. Antay pa kami ng shuttle. Pagdating namin ng Dotonbori, wala na kami naabutan. So, hindi ko siya na-enjoy.
That time, anong weather nun? Mainit pa?
Ang init. As in, naka-short-shorts ako.
Guys, ang ganda ng
naka-sleeveless.
weather ngayon. Yung weather ngayon, hindi malamig, hindi mainit. Nasa in-between siya. So, perfect talaga yung mga gantong suotan lang. Na hindi masyadong balot at hindi rin masyadong, alam mo yun, revealing. Ang ganda na napili natin na Na Airbnb.
So, for
Like,
wala tayong
compare-
supply sa ano,
Oo.
accommodation na pipili natin sa
Yeah.
travel.
So, dito siya sa Well Stay.
Kasi nga, hotel mo to.
Hama ka na, baby. So, ayan, nakamagnet na kayo. Para kita niyo yung view. Nakamagnet na. Pero, madilim na.
Siguro nagtataka yung mga dumadaan at bakit sino kayong kinakawayan nyo?
Ayun, pinakawayan nila. Ayun lang, pinatay ko yung mic pala. Alam mo, kanina pa ako nakakakita ng Pilipino talaga. Magmula sa airport hanggang sa train, hanggang kung saan-saan kalat ang mga Pilipino. But right now, we're already here in Dotonbori. Ayan. Ako din eh. Ayun pala eh. So ano unahin natin, kain or donkey? Ang daming ilaw, parang na-overwhelm ako.
I didn't think it'd be this hard to go and try to let you down. At first, for sure, we saw forever and the distance, but the path of least resistance is the one where I don't see you anymore. And yes, I'm sure about my choices. I don't need you to take me home. And though for sure the bed is warmer by your side, oh please believe me, babe, I've tried. You're not the one I thought that you were gonna be. I got you singing, ooh, I got the blues. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, baby. Ooh.
Ito na yon. So, gusto mo i-try? Tara. So, we're gonna try out one of the best takoyaki here in Osaka. Ang tanong, tumatanggap ba ng card?
Kamusta? Mainit. So, ang first sa list ng food trip namin ay takoyaki.
Ang ayungak!
Ha?
Ang ayungak! Gusto mo nga!
Ha?
Ang ayungak!
Second try, second try. Hindi pa naman ang first.
Paso-paso lang yung dili ako pero ang sarap. Bubuksan ko muna. Ayun siya.
No joke, no joke. As in, ano mo yung legit na takoyaki?
Ito yung legit na takoyaki. Mmm. Ako naman, baby. Yummy? Lipat ka nga here. Walang view dyan eh. O, dali. Yummy? Masarap kasing sarap mo. Ang sarap, no? Mahilig ka ba sa takoyaki? Yummy!
Ah. Eh.
Mm. Mm.
One
So
more, one more.
good.
One more.
Ito yung octopus. Alam mo, makakaligtas ka sa akin. Ang sarap. Okay. Ganun pala yung lasa ng authentic.
Wait lang ah. Hindi ko siya ano eh.
Takoyaki. Now we're here in Kobe beef for Wagyu. Have you tasted Wagyu na po? Nick? Where?
Pero long time ago na. Sa Philippines.
Ako yung Wagyu cubes na tigpo, mabibili mo din sa mga resellers sa Philippines nung pandemic. 1.5, yung madami, naka-isang pack vacuum seal. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung authentic galing Japan. So, we're gonna try. Tikim lang kasi wala na kaming cash. Isang stick lang. Ano ba yun? 1,000 yen na yun. Magkano yan?
1,000 yen is...
Isang
Grabe,
stick
hindi
lang
tayo
yun,
nakapag-handle.
guys. So, hindi kami nakapag-withdraw. Ito yung travel vlog na unprepared. Unprepared. Ano na lang, kung ano na lang.
400 pesos na.
400 pesos. Medyo pricey siya. Well, magkano ang Wagyu sa atin, no? How? Okay, let's try this A5 Wagyu beef.
Nagme-melt siya sa bunganga ko. Wala naman talaga tayong cash. Ang sarap.
Baka may madaanan naman tayo later.
Ikaw naman, ang sarap.
Kami mukha kami kawawa ngayon.
Tikim-tikim lang. I'm excited for your reaction. Uy! Yummy! More?
Gutom na gutom ba?
Patay gutom pala. Lamon pala to, hindi tikim. Ano ba yun? Maybe tikim-tikim lang. Ang sarap, no? Amoy ano na ako dito? Amoy ano?
Lambot, ang sarap.
Amoy
Ikaw naman,
Korean
ikaw naman.
barbecue. Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Mana? Tapos yung mana? Tapos yung mana? Tapos yung mana?
Ah!
Marami pa tayo nadaanan, okay lang.
Sure ka?
Bitin ba, bitin?
Bitin! Kanin na lang kulang.
Kaya nga, ang sarap no, lambot.
Ang sarap. We're looking for a restaurant. And ang ganda nung dinadaanan namin ngayon. Para siyang Old Town, Japan. Pwede pa mag-picture dito. Oh my God, may mga insenso. May mga insenso. Cheers! Asahi. Yay! Favorite mo yan, di ba? Favorite mo uminom.
I didn't think it'd be this hard to go and try to let you down. At first, for sure, we saw forever and the distance, but the path of least resistance is the one where I don't see you anymore. And yes, I'm sure about my choices. I don't need you to take me home. And though for sure the bed is warmer by your side, oh please believe me, babe, I've tried. You're not the one I thought that you were gonna be. I got you singing, ooh, I got the blues. I got you singing, ooh, I don't know what to do without you, babe.
Ano?
Dinadaan mo ko sa chika. Tumubo ka.
Eh,
Konti na
ubos
natin.
na. It's gone. Because it's so good. Hello! So good! It's done! Beer bros. Wala na.
Gear Bros in Dotonbori.
Ubus na. Ang sarap kasi. So, we're getting onigiri, maybe. Let's go. And, syempre, kumuha din rin kami ng isang malaking boteng tubig. Kasi ayaw namin mauhaw. So, what you think? Should we get beer or what?
Ikaw, kahit nag-isabi kanina.
Eto, oh, may asahi. Nakita mo? Peach. Peach asahi. Ako peach asahi ako. Ikaw?
証明書の提示をお願いする場合がございます。
Yes.
いらっしゃいませ。じゃあ、いけません。Sorry.
Oh, hey, oh, yeah, be telling about your style, never small. Look in your eyes, know you want me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, boy, you make me feel like saying, babe. Oh, love the way you talk, for sure.
Nice outfit. Hindi tayo makapag-OOTD. Wala tayong long mirror. Later na lang sa labas. So, right now is our first day here in Osaka. And so, right now we're just gonna get food here sa ating mini rep. Which has onigiri, salmon onigiri. And we also have beer from last night na hindi nainom. Hindi na natin nainom tong beer. Bagsak kami kagabi. So, we have the Asahi and another Asahi. And hindi pa kami nakakapunta ng 7-Eleven kasi wala pa kami nadadaanan. But hopefully later makadaan tayo. Kasi may gusto akong bilhin doon na sandwich, strawberry sandwich. And also, feeling ko mas masarap sila kaysa sa Family Mart. Yung mga benta nila doon.
Alin?
Sa 7-Eleven. Wala pa tayong masyadong
wala pa
daanan.
kami masyadong nadadaanan. Hindi namin alam kung bakit. Mostly Family Mart or Lawson yung nadadaanan namin. But this is what we got from Family Mart. And if you guys didn't know, buhay na kayo sa pag-convenience store if you're here in Japan. So if you need that quick breakfast, oh, for you. If you need that quick breakfast, kahit mag-convenience store lang kayo, okay na, okay na. Oh. Ulang kagat. Crap. I will just finish my look with these lippies from Roman and also itong pinaka-favorite ko as of the moment na lippy by Mario. It's the Rose Glow Plumping Lip Serum. So usually naghahalo ako ng dalawang lipstick. Thick. And then gloss on top. We can go na po. I am just putting lipstick and I'm done. Ayan lang. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga nitong gloss na to. Ito yung palagi kang ginagamit ngayon. Parang tapos na ako sa era ng Fenty. Pansin mo? Ito na yung lagi kong glossy. And it's like a bullet form. So, it's handy to bring around. And I also have one of my current favorites, which is the Symmetry Lab perfume. Abango talaga niya. And ito yung palagi kong ginagamit recently. And long-lasting din siya. Super bango. So right now, we're on the way to the Ebisucho train station here in Osaka. Yun yung pinakamalapit sa amin. And we're going to Dotonbori na to go shopping. May shop ka ba?
Tingnan natin, baka shoes.
Uy! Ako din, I've been looking for
Or bag.
white simple shoes kasi wala na akong basic white shoes. Yung last ko pa was yung Nike Air Force ko na puti. So hopefully we find something cheap kasi kahapon may nakita talaga ako yung mga sale. Like 4-5, mga 5,000 pesos. So sana meron kami makita ngayon. Wala kang makikitang kalat. Tayo lang yung kalat dito. Pero grabe. Walang mabaho, walang amoy basura, no?
Sa
Yung-
Hong Kong, meron.
Sa Hong Kong, oo naman, syempre. Ay, no, don't wanna judge, but like, makikita mo yung difference kasi if you've been to Hong Kong or Japan, yung cleanliness nila, magkaiba talaga. Okay, finally guys, we found the 7-Eleven store here in our area. Oh my God. First 7-Eleven experience in Osaka. So, may hinahanap ako dito eh. Parang strawberry sandwich siya. Palagi ko lang makikita sa mga vloggers. But, I don't know if they have it here. I cannot see it here. Hindi ko siya makita. Okay, so we found it. Nandito pala siya. Pero hindi pa to yun. But, ito lang available for now. But I will try it. For the hype. Pero hindi pa to yun ah. Nakita mo naman yung picture, diba? Natatawa ka na. Bakit? Tawa-tawa ka na naman sa girlfriend mong ano. For the hype. Mga nakikiuso. Kasi super like, first time ko to. Like, syempre nung nag-Japan ako, nun hindi pa naman uso yung mga ganito. Though wala nung strawberry na hinahanap.
Mas more yung may bubong strawberry.
Hindi na damay na kita, mahilig kasi ako sa strawberry na.
Harap ng cream sa loob. Nakuhuli nila yung ano natin. Tipid tricks.
So we got money! 1,000 yen. Kano yan? Magkakasama na? 30,000. So let's go na sa Dotonbori para mag food trip. Kasi nadala na kami kahapon, nabitin kami kasi most of them here are asking for cash payment dun sa Dotonbori for the food trip sa street foods. So ayan, nag-withdraw na kami ng around 12,000 pesos. 30,000 yen yun. You like soup? You like soup? Soup? One na lang. I like that one. One. Ayun yung prices. Beef gyudon, soup, and she had the same, but she had chicken. And this is for 2,800 yen. Hindi ko pa ma-mental mat yung ano, ito na naman tayo. Sakat mababash na naman ako na lang.
Hirap pala i-shop.
Egg. Like, it's like kwek-kwek. Medyo dry lang.
Pero ang sarap, Kami chicken, ang sarap. Anong sauce na ito?
Ito. Kailangan natin ng ano? Mangkok. Masarap yung chicken nila, in fairness. Sabi chicken, ha?
Sarap na eh.
No, wrong sauce.
Ha?
Wrong sauce. Pang sushi. Let me taste if it's the right one. 2,800 lang yun? Magkano yun? Parang ang dami-dami natin in-order.
Kaya nga eh.
2,800 is 1,000 pesos for everything.
Dalawa na
Not
kami
bad. Dalawa na kami doon. So, sa mga nagsasabing mahal yung Japan, hindi naman. As long as hindi kayo mag-shopping. Kasi doon kayo mamamatay sa gastos sa shopping. So far, wala tayong shopping.